I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
Hello guys, so I wanted to start this vlog tomorrow because tomorrow is Soteria's dedication, but she's going to see her great grandmother for the very first time as we're in Akure, and I'm like, that would be nice, you know, to capture the moment so that she also can someday come and look at it when she's grown. And yeah, we're also doing a 4 generations photo shoot, so you should follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting it there. If it's out early, I'm going to also put it behind this video anyway. All this burger is because we're in the village, right? Right, daddy? Right, daddy? If I know, you say we're not in the village. Why no now? I say we're not in the village. Plex is village. Both of us grew up here. In case you are not familiar with this channel, we both grew up in this city, not village, in this city. And yeah, so I just said I should do an intro. I will bring you guys along during the photo shoot, and of course tomorrow when we're having a dedication in our headquarter church here in Akure. We came for our annual convention and it just seemed like a perfect time because I strongly believe it was on that altar that God heard us and gave us this beautiful baby girl last year. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I will show you my grandmother, Soteria's great grandmother. All right guys. I'm all got it. I go like Ami. I'm so cool. Ami. Ami. You buy yellow yassi. Ami. Ayo kale. Ami just. Ayo kale. Ami. You go ko yakamaso. Yes. Allo ni shomo. Allo she. Allo. Allo ni shomo. Allo ni shomo. Alafia ni mo. Alafia. That's what we know. Alafia le ni ye. Alafia le ni ye. That is the kid. Uncle, give me say. Alafia le ni ye. Alafia da ye. Anya ti la alafia. O ti lo gbogbo. Amen dabo. Amen dabo. Amen. Amen. Abule yire. Amen. Abule yire. Amen. Abule yire. Amen. Ayo kale. Amen. Ayo kale. Amen. Ayo kale. Amen. Ayo kale. Amen. Amalopa. Ba no koruku. Ba mi edo ko ni. Wo yin ni. Ọmọ erugun jugbe. Ọmọ losan. Ko peruta. Amda ayo lo kan. Ọmọ ya ayo lo kan. Ilana ni. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ rẹ̀ ní, ìwà rẹ̀ ní, ọ̀kàrẹ̀ hàn mí, ọ̀kàrẹ̀ hàn mí. Ọmọ àjọ Tolú o. Ó jọ mí àmì, yes. Tàbá yẹ́rọ àbárẹ̀, ọ̀dà wọ̀ fẹ́ dìrà, wọ̀ fáìn, màmí, wọ̀ fáìn. Ayọ̀ kàlẹ́ mọ̀. Àmì Jésù. Ọlọ́run Jésù ọba mi náà. Àmì Jésù. Àgbẹ̀ ìjọ fún àwọn àrẹ yé rẹ̀. Elita. Julita.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
People of God, see my face. I'm telling her that it's too fair. She said I want, and my face is fair. Perhaps our postpartum color has come back. Auntie's here. She just downed the bottle. Anyway, we're getting prepared for church. Our father has gone to church. He's going to come back to pick us. And that's the status update. I'll keep you guys posted when this makeup is done. Let's just pray for me that I don't look like that girl that is a boy. Okay, bye.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move.
People, morning, well done. People of God. Anyway, we're off to church now. Finally, I really love my makeup. My outfit is popping, if I do say so myself. Please, let me know, guys. Fall down. Hey, baby. Are you wakey? Oh, she's smiling for mommy. It's okay. Hey, much, mommy. Oh, kitty. Listen, she don't mind your mommy. I've woken her up with my paparazzi of taking pictures and everything. Anyway, we're on our way to church now, and I'll keep you guys posted. I really love my gilly. I love my outfit. I'll try to tag all of them on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Anyway, say bye, guys. Baby girl, see our cute little shoes. Ooh. Anyway, I'll see you guys in church, okay, really, bye for now. Yes, that was church. Did you enjoy your dedication? Yes, did you? Yes. Okay. Say what? Okay. Hey, raspberry bubbles. Yeah. Yoni, my daughter. Okay, say bye, guys. You're not having it? No? Tell daddy. Fine, daddy. You two get agree.
Let's go. Let's leave mommy here with the YouTube video. Let's be going inside.
See, she's shaking her head like, no.
Nope, she's not.
Right, sister?
Mommy, help us to lock the door when you're finished recording the video.
Why are you like this? Why are you like this?
Yes,
Please.
baby.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
We just give to take family pictures, and look who is milk drunk. The hustle. Anyway, party is going on outside, and there are a lot of people. I'm trying to make sure that she's well fed. Then I can go and hand that over to the grandmas so that I can be a baby girl for like 1 hour. Anyway, I said I should keep you guys posted. I don't want to end the vlog yet because there might still be 1 or 2 things before the party is over. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Amen. Amen. See what grandpa is doing. Wow. Wow. Thank you, grandpa. Hi guys. So I just want to end the vlog. I hope you guys can hear me. I want to end the vlog. I hope that I'll be able to put like a recap of everything that happened at the reception before this outro. But give God all of the glory. And my madam is asleep. And I'm trying to also get some sleep as well. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Join the Team Solutions family. I am knackered. Shout out to my friend and sister Roti. She's been with me babysitting. Soteria was sleeping on her chest while I pumped and freshened up and all that good stuff. Oh, Dora. Alright guys, bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.